Shri AsaduddinOwaisi ji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to bring to the notice of August House an important issue, sir, that many children have died by consuming the cough syrup called Coughset, which contains a deadly chemical called diethylene glycol. Sir, a few years ago in Ramnagar village in Jammu, dozen children also died by consuming this diethylene glycol-laden tonic called Cold Best. Both these were manufactured by Digital Vision. Sir, publicly data shows that these medicines fail to qualify quality standards. We have the Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940, which treats such serious offence. What I demand from the government, sir, is that the regulatory response to Digital Vision's offences weren't unique to the company, but were symptoms of a larger systemic problem. The Indian state and central drug regulators today balk at prosecuting manufacturers of substandard drugs. The Drug Consultative Committee and advisory body to state regulators have issued a controversial guideline that prosecuting every case of substandard drugs would lead to the harassment of manufacturers. This should be immediately withdrawn, and strict implementation of good manufacturing practices as envisaged by the Drug and Cosmetics Act should be implemented. This is a very important issue, sir. Many children are drinking this cough syrup and they are dying, and there is no control by the government on such sale of substandard drugs, sir. Thank you, sir.